Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Stremio app no streams were found problem. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I've got a few different methods how to fix this. So fix number one is to clear the cache of Stremio app. So in order to do this, click and hold down the app, click on I, and that's going to take you to the app info. From here, scroll down under usage, click onto storage, and then we need to go ahead and click clear cache. Fix number two is to check your internet connection. So if you're using your Wi-Fi data, switch over to your cellular data and that might fix the issue. And fix number three, if you're using any VPNs, you might need to go ahead and disable them because they might be causing issues. And also some add-ons or torrents may be region blocked as well. So if you might need to use a VPN like NordVPN or ExpressVPN can help unlock them. And the last fix here is to make sure your Stremio app is up to date with the latest software version. So to check that, go to your Player App Store, search for Stremio, and if there's an update button next to it, go ahead and update it.